If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get the best tutorial on different learning topics. Also, hit bell icon to get notification on every upload so that you will not miss any of my video.
Hi, myself Shriyukta. Welcome you to my channel Alokik the Learning Space. Today, my topic is how to hide formula in Excel. So let's start our work. See, if we don't want the formula to get displayed in formula bar on clicking on a cell which consists the formula, then we can prevent such practice by hiding it. This will also prevent the formula from changing it by other person. Formula will be hidden, but we can able to see the result of it. See, on my screen, you will see two examples. In first example, I have used the concatenate formula, and the second, I have used sum formula. I am keeping my cursor on this cell. Check the formula bar. You will not see any formula here. But I make some changes and it will affect to this cell. Okay, so I will just make the changes. You will see, though my formula not seen in formula bar, but it works. Similarly, I will make changes in second example. So I will just change the figure. You will see the total of this got changed. And now what I will do, I will try to make changes in the cell which consists the formula. You will see that I got this message. Means if we hide the formula, if we follow the step to hide the formula, then you will not see the formula in formula bar, but it will work. And if anybody try to make any changes in cell which consists the formula, then they will not able to do it. They will get this message. So now we will learn the step to hide the formula. Fine. So let's start our actual work. Before that, I will click here and will move forward. Fine. As I said, we need to follow some step to hide the formula. So our first step is to select the entire worksheet. Okay, so press Ctrl A. This will select the entire worksheet. You can click here also to select the entire sheet. Fine, then click Format Cell. Go to Protection tab. Then uncheck the lock option and click OK. Fine. What will happen if you uncheck the lock option? Then it will unlock all the cell in the worksheet. Fine. You will observe that as soon as we have unlocked the cell, Excel will notify us of an error as unprotected formula. Okay. Now what we will do? Now we will select the cell which consists the formula. So for that, go to Find and select. Go to Special. Select Formula option and click OK. Now all the cell which consists the formula get selected. Fine. Then right click, Format Cell. Go to Protection tab. Check Locked and Hidden option and click OK. You will see still we can able to see the formula in formula bar. So what we have to do? Go to Review tab. Then click on Protection. Give some password. 1, 2, 3. Check the first two options, that is select lock cell and select unlock cell. click OK. Confirm the password 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now you will not able to see any formula in formula bar. This is how we have hide the formula. Okay. I will make some changes in the data. You will see it works. It gives the result. But if we make any changes in formula cell, then we will get this message. Means we have protected the cell which consists the formula. We can make any changes in data to get the result, but we can't change any formula cell as it is protected. Fine. You can check here also. We can't see any formula, but if we make any changes in data, we will get the result as it is. Fine. So this is how we can hide the formula. The formula no one can able to see, but it will work. No one can make any changes in formula. Fine. I hope you have understood this topic. In case you have any doubts, write in comment box.
If you like my video, please hit like button and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Alokik the Learning Space. Thank you.